Hey guys, today's video wouldn't be made possible without the help of James Rankin, so make sure you head on over to his Instagram at JamesSRankinN and give him a like and a follow. So today we're going to be looking at the strict and kipping version of the toes-to-bar. So this is effectively a combination of two movements, straight leg raise and shoulder extension. Let's look at the hands first. We're going to take a double overhand grip or pronated. Secondly, we want our shoulders pulled back and down with our lats activated, as the key to form strict toes to bar happens here. We'll get more on this later. So to start off the movements, you're going to begin with the hollow hold position, where your core is contracted, pulling the front of your pelvis up towards your chest. You'll then start the movements by performing a straight leg raise, and whilst doing this you're going to actively pull the bar towards your thighs whilst trying to keep your elbows straight. We'll get a better look at this shoulder movement when we take a look at the toes to bar being performed from the side. So firstly, we'll note again the hollow hold position, but also where the feet are relative to the hips. They're going to be positioned in front. Now we can get a better look at what is actually happening at the shoulder. From our point of view here in the video, it looks like a rotation. But what you are effectively doing is you are trying to lean back as you pull the bar to the front of your thighs. This combination of using your lats at the shoulder to pull the bar to the front of your thighs whilst performing a straight leg raise is key to being able to perform strict toes to bar. When performing the movement with a kip, you are reducing the amount of strength that you require at the lats to be able to lean back and get your toes to the bar. When starting off that kip, you're going to repeatedly go back and forth from an arched to a hollow hold position until you have enough momentum to pull the bar down to your thighs and get those toes to the bar. When looking at a repetition at slow speed, we can see the timing of the arch here and then into the hollow hold position where the toes just follow along with the momentum to hit the bar. If you are using the kip, you can see here that it is a very dynamic movement and requires a lot of velocity to perform correctly.